Hello everyone, my name is Shirkendra. Welcome to this calming 478 breathing exercise. You may sit on a soft cushion or bolster with your back gently against the wall. Your legs can be crossed or stretched out in front of you, whichever feels best. Rest your hands gently on your knees or on your lap. Let's take a few moments to relax, release tension, and focus on your breath. We'll begin this simple breathing pattern by inhaling through your nose for 4, holding your breath gently for 7, and exhaling slowly through your mouth for 8. Let's begin. Inhale slowly, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's repeat. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's repeat 2 more times. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you are ready, gently release the breath back to a natural rhythm. Notice how your body feels. Notice the calm you've created. Carry the sense of ease with you throughout your day. Sit quietly for a few moments until your breath has returned to normal. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I do hope that you feel more calm in your mind and in your body. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.